Climate change poses significant threats and we face numerous ever-evolving societal challenges. As educators at the forefront of research, technology and innovation, UTS is investigating these complex challenges and developing creative and innovative solutions. The Sustainability Strategy outlines UTS's sustainability vision and aspirations, setting the long-term direction towards a more sustainable university. The strategy fosters sustainability values and principles for students, staff and the wider community. It embeds sustainability into core activities and identifies clear success measures, goals and targets.
UTS is looking to embed sustainability knowledge, capabilities and values across our curriculum to ensure our graduates are empowered change agents and leaders in their profession. We are building the knowledge and capacity of our staff to make sure we are able to do this across teaching, research and our operational activities.
I think UTS has a unique contribution because of the way it partners with industry in order to achieve many of its goals in research. We're talking about solutions to the problem that the world faces, whether in energy, in international development or in circular economy. So we're focused not just on how the world is, but how the world could be.
As part of our climate positive plan, we've committed to net zero for Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2025 and to becoming climate positive by 2029. We've already divested from fossil fuels and maximised our rooftop solar, and we have off-site solar and wind agreements in place. As well as reducing our campus carbon footprint, UTS is focusing on the circular economy, such as our award-winning plastic-free food court. We're also leaders in transparently communicating our progress through our annual sustainability report and sustainability impact dashboard. Achieving our sustainability goals requires consistent and ongoing positive changes to our activities, systems and processes and behaviour. UTS is committed to finding practical solutions to real-world problems and leveraging our partnerships locally and globally.